Hello and welcome to Rankia YouTube channel. In this video session, I'm going to show you different ways you can block AI web crawlers. One way to block the AI web crawlers is by using robots.txt file. It's simply a text file that you can upload to your website's root directory. Usually it's cPanel File Manager. And you simply can create a file and call it robots.txt. And you can create the file here. Or you can simply use your Windows operating system and create a new file, it's a new text document, and call it robots.txt. Now, what goes into that file, you can access that on this blog post. These are the most popular AI crawlers. So you can simply copy that and paste it into this file. Okay, these are the most popular and aggressive user agents. Web crawlers are also called user agents. If you've never created robots.txt file and your website does have a sitemap, then it's smart to provide the sitemap address in this file itself. And then you simply upload that file if you haven't created it on your local computer. Or you could have easily done that from here as well, okay? So that's one way to block them. But not all scrapers or AI bots obey these rules. Most of them do, but some may not. So we have another option. And that is by blocking using .htxs rules. Same thing. In your website's installation directory, you should have access to .htxs file. That's a hidden file, so we need to have show hidden files enabled. Before you edit this file, it's smart to download the backup before you make edits here. If you cannot access this file, that means you're using a web server that doesn't allow you access to that file. That means you can't use .htxs blocking rules. But if you can, here's what you can put in there. Just this code. As in, grab the code and let's do something like this. Let's right click, edit, and just paste it in there and then save file. But remember, if you can modify that file, make sure you make a backup first and then make the change and then save changes. And finally, before I close up, I'll show you one more method, and that is, depending on how you're using your website, you may include a firewall. Let's say popular content management system such as WordPress has many freely available firewall settings through which you can control the crawler access to your website. Let's look at blocking rules. Let's look at blocking. Manage block. Okay, where are we? Manage web application firewall. Okay, here. Rate limiting is one option. And most of these applications or plugins for firewall will allow you to set different settings. because they can work out, most of them can work out, if a crawler is visiting your website. So in my example, I've set things to very strict, but let's say a web crawler shouldn't access your website, 120 URLs per minute in this example. Or you can set different rules. So you can use .htxs file, you can use robots.txt file, or you may use web application firewall and tweak the settings for rate limiting.